Good morning, world. How you guys doing? This is Karen with Garden of Eden Kingdom Living. Okay, so there's two more stores where you guys can go pick up our product. Woodman's in Buffalo Grove. They carry our vinaigrette dressings, and then Fresh Pete in uh, Bridgeview, Illinois, and they carry the dressings, the hot sauce, and the seasoning. Yep. So go to our website www.garden of Eden Kingdom Living, and just remember, guys, that our products are gluten free, no soy, no dairy. We still make everything by hand. So you're getting the dressing. You might get an onion. You might get a pepper out of there. The color is all natural, so the colors you see is all natural. Yes, and with the product, you only need a little bit, especially with our vinaigrette dressings. We make it everything so rich that you don't need but a little bit. Be blessed. Have any questions? Give me a call. Look forward to chit chatting with you guys, and I thank all of the customers that do purchase and use our products. You guys be blessed.